This is the Tyler Sparks bike check. Well, I got a Fit 83 frame. Went and got it custom painted. It's purple marble faded to blue. Back to purple on the welds, 6 joints. Looks pretty sick. I call it the Fit T3. It's what I want my pro model to be. Same frame specs and everything. I got my Sunday Vinny Cinema signature bars, 8-inch rise with ODI grips, because they're my sponsors. Got it painted right there on my bike. Got my Black Ops stem down to my Nitrous OG forks with my stock Revenge Industry Fit rim with the Nova 20.30 tire. Wish it was a little bit more grippy, but it's not. Got my sponsors painted on my frame. Got my friend's company right there. Got my Eastern Stealth cranks custom painted, same as my frame. Got my 28 tooth Black Ops sprocket with a KMC 410Z purple chain. Got an Eastern seat down to an amber seat post pivotal combo. Got a nitrous rim with a demolition rolls hub. Sounds pretty nice. Got the Maxxis hookworm. I like it. It's nice and grippy when I ride street. Got the 8-inch pedals. I got a G Sport hub guard. I got an S&M back hub guard. I'm not running pegs now. I'm trying to learn whips. But that's my bike.